What it do, grind family? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is follow these guidelines. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and watch this video all the way to the very end, and look out for a code word that will pop up in this video, and then type that down in the comments below. And once I reach 5,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win some free money. So follow those guidelines and get a chance to win this free money. Now let's get into this video.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
You have tuned in to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $20 over and over in just minutes. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see, I make a lot of videos about making money online. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away some free money. So it'd be beneficial for you right now to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like, it really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop that comment down below if you have any questions, opinions, or concern about what I'm talking about today in this video. Now, this method is absolutely free to start. All you need is a computer, laptop, or cell phone with internet connection, and you don't need no skills at all. So please watch this video all the way to the very end, because if you don't watch it all the way to the very end, you're going to miss the steps and you're not going to be able to make the $20 over and over again. So please watch it all the way to the very end. And plus, I have a special bonus I want to share with you guys at the end of this video. So don't skip, watch it all the way to the very end. Now, without further ado, let me go ahead and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, guys, I went to this website, which I've talked about maybe 100 times, Fiverr. So on Fiverr, this is where you can come on here, make an account, and sell any type of service you can for $5 or more. So what we're going to do today in this method is design flyers. So you're going to design flyers for people, and you're going to sell these flyers at $20. Now, as you can see right here, I create professional minimal flyer design for 15. Here's one for 10, and here's one for 20. And here's another one for 20, and another one charges 30, and another one charges 15. So there's all different prices, but they all from like 15 to 20 to $30, guys. So we're going to do 20 because that looks like that's the right price that you can get a lot of sales with. So you're probably saying to yourself, I'm not a designer. I've never designed a flyer before in my life. I'm not good at Photoshop or anything like that. Well, I'm going to take you to a site where you don't have to worry about knowing how to design anything. It's going to be already set up for you. So let me go ahead and go to that site right now. Okay, guys, I'm at the next site, and the name of this site is Canva. So Canva is a website where you can sign up. It's free to sign up, and you can get templates for any type of design. So I went ahead and put in flyer design templates, and as you can see, they popped up. So these are all different type of templates for flyers. And let's go ahead and just click on one of them right quick. So you can just click right here and it says use this template. It's going to take you to this page here. And you'll be able to edit this template. So what you can do is when you go on Fiverr, set up your account, and you can put some samples of flyers on that site on your Fiverr account, and you can get them from here. So look at a lot of them. It's a lot of different templates you can choose from, and they're absolutely free. So like this one is free. All you have to do is just click on here, and so you can edit anything you want to. Click on right here, you can change the color. Click on up here, you can change the design. And as right over here on the side, this way you can get all the things that you need for the flyer. So your photos, your uploads, you can upload from your computer. And here's elements. So elements, you can get any type of different elements. You just type it up here. So you get icons, shapes, as you can see. And here's the text. So you can use all different type of text. So they got them in all different type of designs and whatnot. And here's the style. So you can get any type of style that you want. And videos, you want that, if they want a flyer with a video on it, boom, you can do that. And you can get any color background right here. So what you're going to do, like I said before, get some of these flyers. Just get maybe 2 or 3 of them, put it on your Fiverr account. So when they come there and see your Fiverr account, they say, oh, okay, he makes this type of design. Let me go ahead and get a flyer made from them. So they're going to put in a request and you can talk to them first. They probably want to talk to you and tell you how they want it before they buy it. So you get all the information. And if they want to go ahead and buy it, they pay the $20. And then you come here and put all the information that they give you on one of these flyers. What color, the text, and everything. Then you just deliver to them just like that. And it won't take, well, maybe 5 minutes. It depends on what they want. Maybe 5 minutes to do this. So it's not going to take but minutes to make this fly and make this money. So that's it, guys. That's all I want to show you this right quick. It was a quick one, straightforward. So if you want to go ahead and start this method, go to Fiverr, start account, and go to canva.com to make your flyers. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. As promised, let me tell you about the special bonus. Now, if you scroll down to the description below and click on where it says free giveaways, when you click that link, it's going to take you to a website. And on that website, I'm giving away 3 free gifts. But first, you have to be a subscriber to this channel. So first, subscribe to this channel, then go into the description, scroll where it says free giveaways, click on the link, and it's going to take you to this website where you'll be able to download 3 free gifts. And these 3 free gifts are going to help you on your journey to making more money online. Okay guys, that's it. Please, before you go, don't forget to click that like button for me and help me to get at least 100 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And don't forget to type the code word in the comments below. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online, become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay guys, thank you for tuning in. Help a brother get to 5,000 subscribers. I'm like 600 or 700 subscribers away, and we got 10 days left in this month of October. I want to reach it there by the end of October. And if that can happen, I might give away money to 3 people. So, guys, I'm telling you, if you can help a brother, I'm going to help you out, guys, by giving back with this free money. So just help me get to 5,000 subscribers as fast as we can, because this is you guys' channel, just not mine. It's you guys' channel. So let's keep growing. Okay, that's enough of me talking. One more thing before I go. Please check out my podcast. It's called Hustle, Grind, and Grow. And also check out my channel. It's called Hustle, Grind, and Grow TV. On the podcast and the channel, I talk about making money online and also increasing your personal finance and also helping you with personal development. So I tell you about strategies and habits that's going to help you with your personal development and your personal finance. So please check out my podcast and my channel. Link is in the description below. Okay, guys, thank you again. Please get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace. Get your grind on.